This how-to guide is meant to make you acquainted with main peculiarities of Skybuffer's simple communication add-on implementation and show how simple it is to send a notification email from the SAP system for Invoice using our SAP certified solution. Skybuffer's simple communication add-on is officially certified by the SAP company for the ERP system version 3.1 and is ready for Solution Manager 7.2. Our business case is definitely for you if you are implementing SAP workflow scenario for invoice release or monitoring, you would like to extend human to SAP and SAP to human communication out of SAP systems, your client's business users are kind of concerned about the SAP system flexibility in communication scenarios, you have a limited budget and timeline but still would like to increase your business process productivity. Skybuffer Simple Communication add-on is ready to provide you with interactive emails, easy to be adjusted to any corporate layout, and all you are going to need is just a few lines of ABAP code. Now let us consider an example of using background service of notifications when detecting some focus situation in the process of invoice background monitoring. The accounting department of some company has created an invoice. As soon as the document is saved, the departmental manager is sent a mail with a notification about creating such a document. So, you are going to see now how easy, fast and convenient it is to create such an email for SAP notifications using Skybuffer Simple Communication add-on. The process of ABAP class development for notification scenario consists of two main blocks: reading the document data, business objects, and creating an HTML mail. Here, sending an HTML mail is a standardized algorithm step. It is referred either to custom implementation or implemented just once in the class of mailbone. Now, let us follow all the implementation steps in detail. First, you are to inherit the class of Skybuffer CL-YCA1 ERP mailbone into your own class. This is going to be the common core for all tasks on creating mails for simple notifications, emailing your documents. In this class, you are to redefine 4 separate methods on creating common corporate mail style. Let's choose the email template. This is the method of getTemplate, and determine the template name. Alternatively, you can organize reading this template from any other source. Now header. Get header. Here we determine the mail subject and the company's letterhead, that is the name and the information string. Now addressing the receiver with the method of getSections. Here we create the salutation and the text addressed to the receiver. And signature with the method of getFooter. Here we create any template phrase for the footer. This class is created just once for all the document types in the system. In order to create a mail on a particular kind of document, invoice in our case, we are to copy a demonstrational class of Skybuffer CL-YCA1 ERP mail MMIV delivered with Skybuffer Simple Communication add-on, specify the core class created in the previous step as its parent class, and redetermine the following methods. The method of filling the mail with the contents, this is getSections. This method affects reading the document and filling the mail with the data. Creating buttons, getButtons. This method stipulates each button's actions, the words written on the buttons, other additional information. In this video, we have a sample mail without any buttons. This is going to be enough for simple notifications to be emailed according to documents without binding to the workflow. All these classes use text elements. Also, our add-on has an implemented method of switching to the language of a particular receiver, which provides multilingual support when creating mails directly out of the box. As we can see from this example, this programming code is not too big. It can take from 1 to 3 hours to program a code to create such a mail. All you have to do in order to boost the implementation is to copy or inherit supplementary classes. In case you need to implement a separate option, you are to redetermine the respected class method. I would like to emphasize that the volume of a developed code is not too big, as the main part of the functionality is already implemented in the add-on. Now we are going to open the backend system, and here we are opening the invoice for which our notification mail has been created. To make it easy and more convenient for a person responsible for the invoice to spare this person from the necessity to log into the SAP system, our mail has the main elements of the document: basic data and position data. As a result of calling the class method delivered in the simple communication solution, we see the following mail created. As we can see, this mail contains exactly the same details of the invoice as those shown in the previous step. So, implementation of Skybuffer Simple Communication add-on can significantly speed up development of SAP applications and utilities necessary to form, send, and process incoming emails.